Ilang araw matapos ang laglagan serye ni Saldico, dalawang miyembro ng gabinete ni PBBM ang nalagas ngayong araw. Ang rason, alamin natin sa Politico Update ni Ivy Reyes.
Gaya ng naunang ulat ng Billionaire News Channel, wala na sa gabinete si Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin matapos voluntaryong magbitiw sa pwesto. Out of delicadeza, bumaba rin sa pwesto si Department of Budget and Management Secretary Amena Pangandaman.
Both officials respectfully offered and tendered their resignations out of delicadeza after their departments were mentioned in allegations related to the flood control anomaly currently under investigation, and in recognition of the responsibility to allow the administration to address the matter appropriately.
Parehong nakaladkad ang pangalan ng dalawa sa pinakamatataas na opisyal na gabinete sa usapin ng flood control scandal. Si Bersamin, kasama sa unang affidavit ni former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo na nabanggit umano ni DepEd Secretary Trigov Olivar na pagbibigyan ng 15% kickback. Ang kamag-anak naman nitong si Presidential Legislative Liaison Office Undersecretary Adrian Bersamin nagbitiw na rin matapos pangalanan ni resigned Congressman Zaldico sa kanyang social media statement. Samantala, uupo bilang bagong Finance Secretary si Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs Frederick Go. Hindi naman daw maaapektuhan ang pagkakabakante ng kanyang posisyon dahil nasa ilalim din ito ng DOF. Officer in charge naman ng DBM si Undersecretary Roberto Toledo at wala pa rin kapalit hanggang ngayon ang yumaong Chief Presidential Counsel ni PBBM na si Juan Ponce Enrile. Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel.